Hello everyone, it's me, Beau. Today I am coming to you with the scooter from OKAI. There are a few things that I love about it and a few things that kind of puzzle me. But as long as you are aware of it, I still believe it is a 5 out of 5 star scooter. We are starting from square one with the OKAI ES500, as if you would receive this package directly from Amazon, all except that I did sort of open it a little bit. Let's go ahead and put this together and take it for a spin. When you first get your OKAI scooter, you're gonna do about 3 or 4 things to get it up and running. First of all, this neck right here is not going to be attached, and you're going to want to take off this rubber protector thing from here. So take it off, throw it away. Slip that on, and then you're going to put that screw in there, or rather it's a bolt, then tighten that bolt and that bolt. And just like that, that is sturdy on there. Then, and that's gonna be all over the place, so you're simply going to want to put it in position, and then right under here, you'll see this screw, which will tighten it into place. Pretty much charge it up and you're ready to go. And how many reviews are actually gonna show you how to take this thing apart? Basically, we've got a whole bunch of little bolts going up under there. You also have to peel back this sticky foot pad, then you can actually access a few bolts going down in that direction. So it's kind of sandwiched. It's going this way and that way. And then at that point, you can access the lower cable right here to the rear wheel. Now, this is very, very reminiscent of those scooters that you usually rent in several metropolitan cities. This does differentiate itself from the classic sit-down type scooter. Personally, I like the stand-up kind. A few things to keep in mind. There is no key, so definitely store it in a safe place. And we are gonna go through the display. The first thing that you need to do is be sure it is fully charged. I know that might seem like a no duh, but in this day and age, you usually get something that is partially charged when it arrives. It's not gonna be enough charge. Even if the bar says that there are 2 bars left, it's not gonna be powerful enough, and it's barely even gonna get you over 5 miles per hour. The other thing that you have to keep in mind is the braking system. And this is very, very important because obviously brakes are gonna be a life or death situation. You'll see that the left brake is the back. So it is opposite from a conventional bike, but that is conventional actually for scooters. So the left is the back brake. However, the right is not actually a brake. It just stops the front wheel, because this is front wheel drive. It stops the front wheel from getting power. So this basically kills the power, and this actually stops it. So that's kind of puzzling right here. There's no actual brake. The other thing that is somewhat puzzling about this scooter is the L and the H mode. So at first I thought that these are gears, right? If you're going along and you've maxed out your speed, you can double click the button and that puts you into H, or high gear, allowing you to go at a higher velocity. In fact, it's not. That L and the H distinguish the sensitivity of you starting. And so I was in L and I was going full speed flat out, and I switched it to H. No change in difference. Here is the difference between the L and the H mode. Right now, I'm gonna double click this and I see L on the LCD screen. So this means that you start very slowly. So I'm gonna kick, and you'll see that there's not a lot of sensitivity there. It's just kind of a slow acceleration. As opposed to H, we're gonna double click it, put it into H. It's a much zippier, much more aggressive acceleration. And we're in H, and I kick. Woo! And I just take off. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! To operate the light, which is on right there, simply push this one time. And it's off, and it's back on. Little bit of shock absorption on the front. Got an easy motorcycle style kickstand. When you kick down, locks back. So the final verdict on this thing is it passes my test. Again, a few puzzling things, but as long as you're aware of those nuances, if you are used to commuting or even renting some of these scooters in some of those cities that have those rental services, this will pay itself off many times over. I hope that this small little demonstration is helpful in determining whether or not this kind of scooter is right for you. My name is Beau. Catch you later.